How to delete Sweatcoin account permanently. Deletion of Sweatcoin account is very easy and quick. So just stay with me till the end of the video. Now without much ado, let's get started. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into Sweatcoin account. Now launch Sweatcoin app on your device. Then you will get access to this section, which is the home page of Sweatcoin. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. On this section, tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings page, you will get different options. Simply tap delete account at the bottom of the screen, and now you will get access to this section where you have to go through all the instruction in order to delete account. Tap contact us at bottom of the screen and let it be loaded. Now here, tap on choose your problem section and scroll down and tap delete account. Now you have to enter the reason why you want to delete your account. So I already have typed in the reason. Now tap on the send button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have sent the feedback, after you have tapped on the send button, you have to open your mail associated with Sweatcoin and open the mail that you have received from Sweatcoin. When you scroll down, you have to tap on this link in order to confirm that you want to delete your account. When the link opens up, your account will be permanently deleted within the next 48 hours. But if you wish to not delete your account permanently, you can tap on cancel my deletion request and stop it. But if you wish to delete Sweatcoin account permanently, after 48 hours, the account will be no longer in use. So that's it. That's how we easily delete Sweatcoin account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on the section or video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.